What's poppin', my YouTube babes, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Right with your girl. Y'all, I'm playing, but anyways, today I'm showing y'all how to do soft locks. I want to say I have a video up showing soft locks. I'm not sure, but let's do another one. So soft locks are really easy to do. Like, it's basically crochet. You crocheting the lock onto the hair, and then you're concealing their real hair with another form of hair. In this video, I used the Tresses. What kind of hair was it? Tresses. Y'all, I can't think right now, but I'll leave the description of the hair and the locks that she used down below, so make sure you hit that description. Yeah, so basically you crochet the lock under the braid that you do. Well, let me go back. Rewind. So, first things first. Let me slow down. First things first is you want to section their hair off, and you want to plait their hair down. So that's the very first thing you do. You braid their hair in individual plaits, whatever size that they desire, right? So then you crochet that soft lock under that braid and attach it as you would a regular crochet, right? So what you see me doing now is concealing her hair, because y'all see her hair is that maroon burgundy color. I'm concealing her hair with that extra Tresses hair. And it's so easy. I like to wrap to the right. I've seen other people wrap to the left. It's whatever that works for you. Now, some people don't crochet that hair through like I'm doing and wrap it around, but I feel like it's easier for me that way. That way I know for sure that I'm concealing more at the root than anything. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch. Like, you see me crocheting their hair through. I'm going under that braid and I'm just pulling that lock through. It's real easy, y'all. It's real simple. And I really like this method better because if y'all remember, like, some people might still do them. I had stopped doing them, but the locks where you crochet your hair through the middle of it, I found it so hard for their hair to stay in. Like, after a few days, their hair started raveling out. And so I just stopped doing that service altogether. But these right here is worth it. You don't have to worry about their hair, coming back through. It's real similar to like regular goddess locks or faux locks. If you've done that, you'll definitely be able to achieve this look. And it's so simple, y'all. Y'all can do it yourself. Like, try it on yourself. I've done my hair several times with the soft locks. And I also have another video I'm going to upload of me doing soft locks over my locks. So if you're interested in that, be on the lookout for that video. I really hope I'm making sense, y'all. If I'm not, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you want me to do an even more detailed video, starting from the very beginning, from when I braided her hair down. And I will. I honestly feel like that was pretty self-explanatory, but if not, I will always record on the video. Let me know, what are some styles that you guys want to see, that you want to learn how to do. Leave it down below in the comment section, and I will most definitely get those recorded for you guys. I really want to thank y'all for rocking with your girl, because y'all don't have to watch my videos and y'all continuously do, and I really, really appreciate that. If you're not subscribed to my channel, sis, bro, what's up? Like, what's the reason? What's the cause? What I do? What I did? Like, let me know. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. Join the family. Let's continue to grow together. I'm going to keep dropping this content. Make sure y'all leaving me comments down below. I hope y'all day is super amazing. Yeah, talk to your girl. I'll talk back. Follow me on all social media platforms at Artryssaglamtresses. If you ever want to book with your girl, head over to my website, artryssaglamtresses.com. shop, buy products, all that good stuff. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. Y'all continue to wear your mask. Even if you're vaccinated, wear your mask around people. Everybody isn't. Wash your hands and wash your butt if you don't. We family, so I have to say it. But y'all, look at the end result. Sis was popping. Locks was fire. She was going on vacation, y'all, so she was ready. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.